Okay, welcome to third video tutorial of Youzify, right? This was the person we created in second video tutorial, right? Creating this login form, creating this create new account button, right? So let's go to create new account at first, and you can see here, notice here, by creating an account, you agree to our terms and conditions and our privacy policy, right? We have to create these two pages, right? Right now when you go to this tab, then it will show nothing, right? And when you go to this tab, nothing shown, right? So we have to create these two pages, and in Youzify we have to place the link of those pages so that when someone clicks this one or this one, then they will see the content in that page, right? Let's go to dashboard and go to Youzify in this section, membership settings, right? Then to register settings, right? And you can see here display note, terms and privacy policy setting. This is on, right? Enabled. So enter terms and condition link here and enter privacy policy link here, right? It is simple. Go to pages, create new page, and terms and condition page, right? Just to name it terms and conditions, and depending upon your site, right, write the terms and conditions, right? Here you can generate terms and conditions from different websites, search that and create a terms and condition that is that relates with your own site, right? Then publish it, click publish and view page, right? This is the link, right? Right click, copy and go to Youzify here, and terms and condition URL, just paste it here, right? Then create a new page again, go to pages, right click, new, privacy policy, right? Privacy policy of your site, just write it to generate the privacy policy, make some modifications, update that, and depending upon your site, right, create that privacy policy, then publish the page, sweep page, and copy this one, right, link, and then go to Youzify and privacy policy URL, just paste it there, right? This is most important, right? You have to create the terms and condition and you have to create the privacy policy, right? And save it. Just save it, right? Go to bottom and just save it, or you can see in right side bottom, this button, just save it, right? Now let's move here and reload this one. And now let's open this in new tab. You can see here terms and condition page, right? We just created. Also in privacy policy, new tab, privacy policy page, just created, right? In this way you can create terms and condition page and privacy policy page and assign it in Youzify, right? Okay, this was it for third video tutorial. Stay tuned for next tutorial.